Let me test. Yeah. So, good evening, everyone. Yeah, how are you? Fine, right? Online team, can you hear me? We are going to start the session in another couple of minutes. Kindly please hold. So, 44, 02. LOC and ILOC. Okay. Are we done with Jupyter? Did I explain actually? Did you have you done practice also? Helpful, please. That really helpful. Please do that practice. Data selection using LOC and ILOC. LOC and ILOC. Good. Python pandas. Did we install any other library? As of now, no, right? Good. We done Python. Pandas attributes. These are all good. Yeah, we are going to close this one today. One more last question. Do you think we are going slow with the course actually? Am I explain slow? If anyone feeling, do let me know, sir. I will apply third gear or fourth gear actually. Okay, let me know. But I never go in a rush actually. Let us start. We are fine. Till now, what kind of flow we went actually, we are fine. Now coming to the discussion. What is the discussion? Simple. With the data, we are creating a data frame. We are creating what exactly? Data frame. Data frame having mainly three things, man. Data frame having mainly how many things actually? Three things. The first one, any idea? Yeah, very good. First one, first one index. Second one is columns. Second one is what exactly? Columns. Next one is a data. How to change we understand very clearly. How to change we understand this one also very clearly. Am I right? Now how to select, how to what exactly select actually, that point you need to understand. Let me tell you, uh, when I'm talking about the data selection is seriously important. What do you mean by data select? I'm taking this mouse, this is called as a selecting the mouse actually. We do have a data, that data I wanted to capture, I wanted to get in, I wanted to select, that is called as a data selection. This is called as what exactly? Data selection. Good. So selecting the data, selecting what exactly? Data actually. When I'm saying like a selecting the data, sir, we can select single column. We can select what exactly? Single column we can select, and we can select multiple columns. We know that one. Am I right? Next one will be, we can select single row. We can select what exactly? Single row, and we can select what exactly? Multiple rows. There are many ways we do have. There are many ways. Like based on the syntactical, there are many ways. But by using LOC and ILOC, how to select, we need to understand. By using what exactly? LOC and ILOC, how to select, that point you need to understand very clearly. Guys, are you getting? Good. Let us start. Where we stop for the session, let us start. I'm all right, Bono. Thank you. Let's move on. This example, you tell me this example, selecting single column. This example, single column with different syntax. Am I right? Among these, which one is important? Second one. Why? Why important? Because, yeah, very good. Because assuming that here would have a space. Dot will work with if it is a single word. Dot works very well if it is a single word actually. If there is no dot, kind of some space would you have? I'm sorry, man. it is having the two words actually going to get what we are going to get during the space. It may fail actually. I already covered, couple of times the same point. You can move on. This one is a good example, and this one we are using in a real time. This one we are using what exactly? Real time actually. Can somebody talk with me? Hold on. It's a right time. I need to show some real time examples. I'm feeling like it's not required for you, but can you spare with me 2 minutes? I will show you small cinema. I will show you actually. Are you ready? Yeah, yeah, good. Real time example. Let us talk about the pandas. In pandas data frame. In pandas, what exactly? Data frame. Hold on. Tell me one method name. One method name. Come again. Head method. Very good. What method name actually? Head method. Hold on. Sir, we can find all real-time example from there is a one website. Website name is called as a, do you think Google actually? Website name is a Kaggle. What is the website name? Kaggle actually. I will tell you. I will take one day separate session. What is a Kaggle? Kaggle is a one kind of platform. Here you can find out all real-time data science project. What you can find out about, sir? What you can find out actually? All real-time data science examples and projects actually. Let me check it out. Over the head method, how many examples would you have? How many projects would you have? We will see. Are you ready? Good. Open Google, and later what we have to do? We have to open Kaggle actually. After Google, what we need to open? Kaggle. My always bookmark website is the Kaggle only. Here and there on daily basis. This is the Kaggle, and I will tell you how to open in a first time. I will take a separate session, but as of now, I wanted to close this discussion within 2 minutes actually. Search for Kaggle. Search for what exactly? Kaggle actually. Good. Kaggle is a data science competition platform. This is the wiki. I mean, a kind of some information it is giving. Currently, it is handling by Google company. I mean, it was established in 2010. So and so person. Currently, who is handling actually, sir? Google company. Google company acquired. Google company taken complete responsibility about this one actually. Click on this one. Now, awesome. Are you ready? Good. There is, let me sign out. Good. Whenever you are clicking on this one, you get first image is this one. Level up with largest AI and what is this one, sir? ML community. What do you mean by AI? ML means community. Community. Best example, I'm staying in a community. If some small problem happen, total community will come actually. It's a kind of sharing the knowledge, helping each other. In my community, in housing board, on an average 50 families would have actually. If someone having the problem, we'll get a message and we will just go actually. What is your problem? Either dog is barking, cat is moving, something like that actually. Are you getting? Here also, in data science, whenever you are working in a real-time project, if you are having any issue, these guys will feel personal actually. Arey man, my brother is facing issue, let me support, something like that. Okay. Now there is a search icon here. Come here, and you have to search pandas. Tell me method name. Tell me, sir. Head method. Just try to search that one. Just to search this one. Oh my god, how many examples, sir? Do you think one example, 10 example, 1000 example? How many example? Array man, regarding head method, 1000 examples actually. I'm sorry, man, not 1000, 1,20,000 examples. How many? Anyway, let us apply small filter. I need only Python example. I need only what exactly? Python example. Still, now let us have a small discussion here. Pandas, head method. What method actually? Head method. How many examples, sir? 1 lakh. I will take one day session. I will take how to watch these are all things. I will explain. Sir, we just started cinema. You will literally enjoy actually. Every stop you will literally enjoy actually. Okay. Tell me one more method. Sir, I will cry. Huh? Tail, head, tail. These are all okay. Can you tell? Huh? Rename method. Is it fine? Rename method. Okay. Rename method. Rename method. Why? Because changing the. What is the purpose of rename, sir? Changing my name, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now just try to come here. I hope you know. Go back, and here exactly you can look at like this actually. Always go for search icon. Tell me pandas. What is the method name? Rename method actually. That's it. Pandas rename method. How many examples, sir? 29,000 examples actually. See, if you wanted to become expert in a rename method, out of 29,000 example, if you done 10 to 20, how many? You will become expert man. Means currently in this total universe, there are different projects. They are using rename method in that many times actually. This is one project. This is another project. This is another project. I will tell you slowly by slowly. I can help you. If you open this one, definitely here and there some rename method they are using actually. Now you can just try to click on rename. You can just try to click on. Yeah, did you notice? Did you notice, sir? Now just try to see they are using what exactly? Rename method only. Perfect. With our experience, whatever I'm guiding, I will guide only real-time stuff, sir. Don't think like a Britannia examples I will guide actually. I'm sure you will understand very clearly. Can I say rename is what exactly? Method. But still these guys are telling what exactly? Function. Invalid. Means once you understand the stuff, you can judge actually what other guys are telling. Till the university, total universe is getting a confusion. People don't know what is the difference between function and method till date actually. Right, but anyway, we should not we don't have a mobile number, otherwise I will call and I will guide him actually. That is his personal, right? Now this is the method, and I hope you know this one very well, sir. Am I right or not, sir? What do you mean by in place actually? Yeah, I don't want to perform, I don't want to create a new object. I wanted to perform changes in what exactly? Original object. Conclusion of the story: learn real time stuff. Once we understand the topic, then with the topic, best example, sir, let me tell you. My teacher name is a Karuna madam. Karuna teacher actually. She explained me A letter. What letter she explained actually? A letter. Then with the A for what exactly? Apple. One more A for what exactly? Arrow also I will tell. What is the next one? A for? Sir, few words tell me, sir. Come again? Aeroplane. Sir, I don't know spelling. That is okay. Aeroplane actually. Next one. In Telugu, you can still write one word Amma. Am I right or not, sir? Conclusion of this story. Once you understand the topic, we can understand in a different dimension. Then you will get a complete grip over that A letter actually. Same thing like that. Once I guided head method, project number 1, how they are using. Project number 2, how they are using. Project number 3, how they are using. Like that you can understand actually. Did you understand what I'm telling? I hope you're getting, sir. Right? Slowly by slowly I can guide you. Very, very important. Please focus. Very, very important. Here onwards actually. Get ready. I will tell you. These are all real-time example. Very easy, boss. Be strong in fundamental. All right, very good. Cinema is over actually. Back to the session. Yeah, previously single column we are selecting. We are selecting single column. We are selecting multiple columns. We are selecting one column and applying sum over that. Am I right or not? By this time, by looking at the example, you should understand. Without touching the, so the keyboard, you should understand actually. Selecting specific column values actually. Yeah, am I right? Can I select actually? I wanted to select only Viru customer. Then create a one condition. Create what exactly, sir? Condition. Take that condition and you can apply over df of customer name. You can get all Viru customers. You can get all what exactly? Viru customer. Come on. Like this, you can access Tarun customer. Like this, you can access specific name of the product actually. Something like this. Now the game will be start. Theory. Skip the theory. Maybe today I'm going to explain this one. Focus on this one. What is this one? Selecting single. Tell me, sir. Selecting single column actually. Right. df1 dot ilvoc. Syntax number 1. Come on. I would like to say syntax number 1. What exactly we done, df1 dot ilvoc. Here what I'm providing, sir. Can I say single value? Can I say single value? Ensure that ensure that what exactly? I means, sir, by default, if you're, it's a item I need to reveal. By default, if you're providing 0, by default, it will access index. It will access what exactly? Index. Means it will touch the row. It will touch what exactly? Row. I mean to say that. Can I get a response, sir? Am I right or not? It will touch what exactly? Row. Keep in mind that. Right. Good. Move on to the next one. Syntax number one. Yeah, ILOC of one we know. ILO next example, guess the next example. -1. Good. Do you think valid actually? No. Ensure that invalid syntax df1 dot ILOC of. See, if your location based index is starting, if ILOC you are using I for integer, also called as index, also called as what exactly? Index based location, integer based location. At any cost here, it should be integer value. Hey Daniel, I will provide name of the column. I will provide what exactly? Name of the column. No, sir. Please, you should not provide. If you are providing, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error actually. Very good. Keep in mind that. Move on to the next one. We covered these are all. Yeah. See. Previously, look at my screen. ILOC of 0. By default, what it is accessing? Index. Come on, talk with me. By default, it is accessing. Now your requirement will be, you understand how to access 0th row, first row, second row till to the last row, like a -1. My requirement will be, hello Daniel, by using ILOC, I wanted to access a first column. I wanted to access what exactly? First column. Previously, if you provide like this, by default, it knows only access the row, access the index. Where index is available? Row level. 0th index. First, today you can understand. That's what I'm doing revision. Please don't feel worry actually. Please don't feel boring. Are you feeling boring? Can I jump into the topic? Good. If you are providing like this, by default, it will touch the index actually. But my requirement will be, I don't want index. I don't want row. I want a column. I want what exactly? Now, syntax number 2, you need to understand. Yesterday explanation and today explanation, please understand. Now you already understand the topic. That's what I'm. Yeah. Now just try to come here. Df dot ILOC. Sir, you need column, right? You need what exactly? Column. Then definitely comma is required. What is required? Comma. When I say comma, LHS. Next one is RHS. LHS and next one is RHS. Good. Now df dot ILOC. And here you are not providing anything, comma, you are not providing anything, means all rows, all columns. Tell me, sir, all rows, all columns. Now df dot ILOC of, column you are providing, first of all, comma. Always start with the comma. Good. Good. Now come to left hand side, column. Here, yeah, previously I wanted to touch the row. Don't provide any comma, directly 0 value, 0 1 2 3 something. Now if you need a comma, comma required. What is required actually? Then here provide which one you want. I need a first column, or else I need a second column, or else I need a third column, something like that. Did you understand the notation? Sir, are you getting? Yes. Perfectly. All right, sir. Good. Let's move on. These are all I covered yesterday, but I hope you understand my explanation today actually. All right, you know these are all stuff actually. Yeah. Now with the syntax number 1 and syntax number 2, syntax number 1 and syntax number 2, syntax 1, syntax 1, accessing single row, accessing what exactly? Single row. Syntax number 2, you have to talk with me. What is it one? Sir, tell me, sir. Accessing single column. Very good. Now syntax number 1, syntax number 2 done actually. How to access multiple columns, multiple what exactly? Columns. And the next one is how to access multiple rows. That's what we need to understand, sir, slowly by slowly. Yesterday we closed the cinema, how to access a single column, how to access a rows actually. Today we are going to start the new discussion. Today let us talk about multiple columns and multiple rows actually. Are you with me? Let us start. Let me drink water. Yeah. Now observe the syntax, sir. Observe the syntax. What is the syntax? Now the very first one will be how to access the rows. How to access the rows is the first discussion. Keep in mind that this is the make it first one. How to access the rows. Hello boss, how to access the rows? We know many syntax. Head of what exactly? By default, top 5 rows. Very good. Next one. What is the next one actually? DF of slicing also we can apply. Am I right or not, sir? 0 to 5 like this actually. Yeah, now come to the discussion. With this also we can access df1 dot ilvoc 0 to 5. df1 dot ilvoc, what exactly? ilvoc. What is this one, sir? Tell me. 0 to 5 actually. Very good. Sir, this is super fast. This is okay kind of fast. Good actually in terms of the speed. This is what exactly, average, something like. Keep in mind that this is Vande Bharat actually. What is that one? Vande Bharat. I hope you know. If you start here at 7 actually, you can go to Vijayawada exactly at 7. I'm sorry, man. 3 to 7. Within 4 hours, you can travel to Vijayawada. Now, let me execute this example in one very quickly. Let me execute this example very quickly. Once we're done with the pandas, we are doing one real-time project. Get ready. Very interesting. You will understand literally very nice actually. Trust me, you will get the best subject. No doubt at all. Best subject actually. Once after your course is done, how you will become, you can explain data science to someone. Once after our course is done, you can explain the data science course to someone, not index actually. Topics. Did you understand? Please focus like that. Demo.py. Go to desktop, programs, open this one. What is the output actually? Any idea? Very good. One more time. Very good. By this time you should know, sir. Go back, pull the file. What is the file name? Sales. Tell me frankly, have you done yesterday practice? Okay. If you're not done, please do that one. Very good. Yeah. Just try to come here. Still, there are two to three ways would you have, right? Please guide me. Tell me, sir. df1 dot head method. Tell me, sir. df1 dot what exactly? Head method. Next one is df of 0 to 5. Yesterday, I already covered the same thing actually. If you want, just try to take this one, take this one. You can just try to cut. You can paste here. What I need to delete? That's it. Seems to be. Methodology is the same. Very good. df1. Very good. Can I change this one? Okay. See, same output. That's really beautiful, man. Same output actually. If you want, I will tell you small point. I hope you know this one. Tell me 3 plus 2. What is the result? Now I hope you understand why I'm telling this one. What are other ways also? 2 plus. Very good, sir. 5. Next one is 1 plus 4. Next one is 4 plus 1. Oh, very good, sir. 6 minus 1. Very good. Nice analogy. I mean to say that that's what I hope. Why I'm explaining there are many ways to get the output actually. To get what exactly? Output. Now, whenever you are looking at this example, you have to think the same thing actually. I mean to say that there are many ways. But knowing one is more than enough. If you know head method, that is enough. This is still alternative. This one also still alternate actually. But it would be good to know these are all stuff actually. Get ready. I hope this example till here I covered yesterday, I guess. Am I right? Till there I covered yesterday. Am I right? Yeah, good. Get ready. Now let's move on. Can somebody tell me by using this one what exactly we are doing? Yeah. Hold on. I will ask a question. You guys need to respond. df dot ilvoc. Here I am providing only 0. Here I am providing only what exactly? 0. Can I say what is that one? Accessing single row. Accessing 0th index. Can I say that one? 0th index means we will get a single column. We will get what exactly? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now df dot ilvoc. Let me provide 0 to 5. Let me provide what exactly? 0 to 5. Accessing, tell me, multiple rows. Multiple what exactly? Team, are you getting? Now let me tell you. Hey, I wanted to access a multiple columns. I wanted to access what exactly? Sir, if you're talking about the column, definitely comma required. Remember that one. Column, comma. C actually. We can compare like that actually. Now you may ask a question. How to access multiple columns? Multiple what exactly? Sir, it's very simple. What is the syntax? Come here. Df dot illoc. What is required actually? Tell me. Comma. Yes, very good. Now come here. And what is here actually? LHS value. Next one is a RHS value. LH is a side. I'm not giving anything. Yeah, hold on. Let us maintain a nice syntax. Df1 dot ILOC. And here, this what exactly, sir? Rows position. This what exactly? Columns position. Very nice. Very nice, man. Now, just try to come here. Df dot ILOC. Now, comma. What is required, sir? Comma. Hold on. I'm not providing anything. All rows. I'm not providing what exactly? Anything, all rows. If I'm providing 0, first column, am I right? If I'm providing 1, second column. If I'm providing 2, third column. But I needed 2 columns. I need what exactly? Sir, then here column is required. What is required? Starting column I need, ending column also I need. Starting column I need and ending column also I need. Df dot ILOC of get ready column, comma. What is the starting column? 0. What is ending column? 2. Let us just try to take it 2. Let us just try to take what exactly? By looking at this syntax, you need to understand, Ariman, we are playing with the numbers. We are playing with the integer. We are playing with the index actually. Keep in mind that. Are you getting or not? Right, good. Now let us just try to do this one. If you want, let us just try to print the data frame first. Print the data frame first. You are able to see? Can I maximize? Otherwise? Now just try to see. Print off. Generally, this much kilometer syntax you should not provide actually. Now run this one. Now hold on. All rows with 2 columns. What is the 0 actually? Where is the 0? Order ID. Sir, if you are providing 2, 2 minus 1 means 0 to 1 actually. Order ID, next one is a customer name. Customer name. Now just try to come here, sir. Wow. I hope you understand very clearly, sir. Did you understand everyone? Yeah. Means you talk with me. All rows and 2 columns. Can I say that one? All rows, 2 columns. Let me provide 3. How many columns? 3. 3 columns. 0th column, first column, second column. 0th column, first column, second column. Hold on. You got my point actually. Now I will ask one question. Get ready. Only practice helps you. Only practice helps you. Yeah, good. We got this column and this column. All rows we are getting, right? Man, I don't want all rows. I need only top 5 rows actually. I need what exactly? Top 4 rows. What I need to touch actually? Any idea? Come again? Yeah, 0 to. That's it, man. That's it actually. Indirectly, we are playing with the syntax. Seriously, super. Did you understand? Now, here no logic, just understanding the syntax. Understanding what exactly? In this example, syntax matters, sir. Only syntax matters actually. If you understand the syntax, gone. Don't ask what is the syntax. I mean to say that I hope this is the rules and regulation you need to follow actually. Okay. Take this one. If you need a column, what is required? Comma is required. Keep in mind. If you need a column, if you're talking about the column, comma required actually. That is a thumb rule. If you understand this one, done, I guess. Yeah. Oh, you tell me 0 to 3. Yeah. Order ID, customer name, customer ID, blah, blah stuff actually. You tell me, what is this one? 5 rows, 0th column, first column. One more time. 5 rows, 0th column. Perfect. Do I need to explain? That's what. Let me tell you. Generally, I hope you understand this example, but why I will explain same example, you can feel more relaxed actually. See, is there any difference in between this example and this example? Not much actually. Yeah, here 0th column, one column. Here 0th column, first column, second column. That's it. If you understand this example, next example also try to do small change. Then you can feel you implemented new example actually. You implemented what exactly? New example. That is really required, sir, please. Online team, are you following? Can I get a response, please? Let's move on. Yeah, we done with ILOC, but we pending one topic. What is the topic actually? Come again? Yeah, theory, right? Yesterday I skipped the theory. Am I right? Did you notice? Without explaining the theory, I explained the example. Now, if I'm reading theory, you can feel, hey, that's what yesterday. Why I skipped, you will understand today very well. Actually, go back to the discussion. Go to the theory. Now, just try to see. Come here. Get ready. The ILOC or else ILOC is used for indexed based selection method. What is that one? Indexed based selection method. Yesterday, without explaining example, if I read this point, you may think, what is indexed based selection? Seems to be Daniel skipped that point actually. Am I right? You may think like that. We have to pass only integer based index to select what exactly? Specific row or column. Am I right? Yeah, come on, we know. By using this, we can get rows or column at particular position in what exactly? Index. By using this syntax, if you want rows, if you want columns, you can access anything. This does not include last element in the data frame. This point is a bit important compared to LOC. Whenever you are providing two, what is the value you are accessing? One we are accessing. Am I right? But when it comes to LOC, it accesses the total value. It accesses what exactly? Total. That's the difference. Means last value is excluded. Here in ILOC, last value is excluded. Here also excluded, here also excluded. But in LOC, it was not like that. It can capture last value also. That's the difference. Did you understand? Good. Yeah, this is the syntax, man. I hope you know. df dot ILOC row selection, like a index 0 you provided, right? Am I right or not, sir? 0 you provided. Then indirectly you are selecting row selection. ILOC syntax number 1, syntax number 2, row selection, comma. What is this one? Wherever comma came, what is required? Column selection. Just how to say. So according to the syntax, these are two arguments. Row selection. Next one is a. Now, did you understand why the syntax you can understand today? I guess. Am I right? Good. Come on, easy. That's it. That's it actually. Let us jump into the what is the next topic? ILOC done. Now the next topic is what exactly? LOC. Sir, very easy. If you understand ILOC, understanding LOC is like this actual. Very easy. Jump into the topic. This one also. I don't want to read theory actually. Let us jump into example. Example directly. Now the LOC indexer. Just it won't take much time. That is, few guys are sleeping, sir. Please come on. Skip the theory and skip this one also. Creating a data frame as usual. Let us create a data frame. Come here as usual. Let us create a data frame. Yeah, we got a data frame. Let's move on. Now over this data frame, let us apply LOC topic. What topic? Till now we applied ILOC. Till now we applied what exactly? ILOC. Now let us apply LOC. Sir, this is bit important. Please focus. Easy, very easy. You can feel comfortable. Wow, this is a bit important. Many people asked a question. Sridhar sir, Srikant, right? Your name? Srinath. He asked a question. One more guy asked a question actually. What is the question? You know, there may be a chance index can be duplicate, right? During that time, how you can handle actually? This is the old question, but I told them just kindly hold on, sir. This point I can cover actually. Today I'm repeating one more point. What is the point? You know, first of all, whenever you are creating the data frame, look at me. Whenever you are creating the data frame, what is the index actually? Index starts from 0 to last value. What is the last value? Yeah, 899. Very good. Now today what I'm planning, what are all column names? I'll do, let me know. Order ID, customer ID, product name, product cost. One more time. Order ID to product cost. Can I say? Now let me help you. Hold on. Get this one. Understand this. Very, very important, sir. In real time, we are using this scenario very well, actually. There is a column. Column name is called as what exactly? Product name. There is a column. Column name is called as what exactly? What I'm planning, I wanted to take that column, okay, and I wanted to set this column name as a index. This column name is what exactly? We can set actually. Best example, if you wanted to change the index, what we need to do? Create a dictionary and you need to call a rename method. You need to call what exactly? If it is a chota data frame, it is okay. If it is a chota data frame, I mean to say that small data frame, like a 5 rows, 6 rows, creating a dictionary with these are all values, okay. Arey man, how many rows actually? 900 rows. If I wanted to change the index actually, then I need to create a big dictionary. Instead of that, what we can do, I will tell you the reason why I'm setting actually. Hey Daniel, take one column, set that column as an index. Take one column. What is the column name I'm taking actually? Product. Arey man, if you want, you can take customer name also, customer ID also. I will tell you slowly by slowly. Hold on. You may ask a question. Hello Daniel, can I take this column name and can I set as index? You can set actually. You can set actually. Yes, good. Look at my screen. Before setting index, I just wanted to know rows and what exactly? Columns. Talk with me, sir. Rows and what exactly? Columns. How many rows? Do let me know. 900 and what exactly? 900 into what exactly, sir? 5 actually. Are you ready? Now, if you wanted to set a column as an index, nothing is there. There is one method. That method name is a set underscore index. What is the method name? Set underscore index. One more time. Set underscore index. Last time. Set underscore index. Then this method, it takes two parameters. First parameter, tell me from this data frame, which column name you wanted to set as the index. From this data frame, which column name you wanted to set as index? I wanted to set product name. I wanted to set what exactly? Product name actually. This I wanted to set actually. Okay. Then I hope, do I need to explain about in place actually? I will cry, sir. What is the purpose of in place actually? Instead of creating new object, let us apply changes on original object. Punishment. Read along with me. Instead of creating new object, let us apply changes on original object. Am I right? Few guys are lip reading giving actually, something like that, right? Please talk with me, sir. Now come here. First of all, can I take this example for your better understanding? Good. Now, after changing the index, what is this one, sir? After setting the index. Why I'm highlighting like this? So, hold on. There is a no jantra mantra, sir. You can understand. Take this one. Let us have a small discussion. Read underscore CSV. Very good. One more time. Set underscore index method. That point you have to understand, sir. Any other thing? Import keyword, print function, predefined function. Get ready. Actually, before setting index, how many rows and how many columns? How many columns? How many columns? 5 columns. Run this one, sir. Arey boss, I done some overaction. Am I right or not, sir? I'm sorry for that. Now come here. What happened? Oh, good. First of all, let me just try to print the data frame first. I wanted to see before changing the data frame. Now Control Z. Are you ready? Yeah. Now how many columns actually? Do let me know. How many columns? 4 columns. Why? Any idea? Because index is not countable. Am I right or not, sir? Whenever if somebody is asking about tell me the name of the column, you should not count the column index actually. You should not count what exactly? Index. Let me tell you. This is the original data frame, sir. This is what exactly? Original data frame. Suddenly, other faculty came and he is asking, hello, boss, explain how many columns would you have? If you are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, actually, then that faculty looked at me very seriously. Conclusion of this story, index is not countable. What is not countable? That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Then we set a column as an index. Then this column is what exactly? Not a countable. Now this is became index. Now how many columns actually? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you understand? That is the first point you need to understand before moving on to the introduction. Did you understand? Good. Conclusion of the story. Take a one column name. That column name you can set as an index. Beautiful topic actually. Seriously, very beautiful. Why we are setting, I will tell you. Slowly by slowly, I will tell you. First, understand, we can create a data frame. Hey, there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth column. This fourth column, can I set as an index? You can set by calling one method name. What is that method name? Set underscore index. Sir, in data science, method works more rather than you. You have to just remember method name. If you are feeling that one also difficult, I don't know what to say actually. Conclusion of the story, focus on method learning. What learning actually? Method learning. Keep in mind that. Let's move to the discussion. I hope you understand very clearly. Take this example. Easy, very easy, sir. Now you have to tell me after setting the index, what I need to change actually? 4 columns. Now conclusion. What is the conclusion? You know, conclusion. Index is not countable for total columns. For what exactly, sir? Total. Am I right or not? Good. Keep move on to the next discussion. Somebody may ask a question. Are Daniel, instead of product name, can I give other name? You can give, sir. But as of now, we don't have that much luxury time. Let us move on. Good. Now just try to say. Seriously beautiful, sir. Good, good. Let me run this one. Yeah. We set index like this. Am I right? Am I right? Good. Here onwards, let us apply operations. Let us apply what exactly? Operations actually. Good. What kind of operations, you know? What is the index you are setting actually? Do let me know. Product name. This product name, it will come something like a header. That product name, it will come something like what exactly? Header. But something like a compared to this one, this is the shortest actually. It is okay, acceptable, right? Good. Now here, there is a one product. That product name is a iPhone 9 actually. What is that one actually? Do let me know. iPhone 9. I wanted to select all iPhone 9 products. I wanted to select all iPhone 9 products. Very simple, sir. How much simple it is, you know? Look at the syntax. First to create a string with what product you need actually. Then df1 dot loc of here what we are providing? A. What is the A actually? iPhone 9. Hey man, go to the data frame and fetch, access, get. These are all real-time words actually. Fetch where are all iPhone 9 is available. This is seriously awesome. This is what exactly, sir? Seriously awesome. That's what previously many students asked a question. What is the question? You know, is index can be duplicate? It can be duplicate. It can be duplicate, sir. Did you understand? Right, good. Now let's move on. Come here. Print. How to access all iPhone 9. Okay, good. P should be capital, right, sir? iPhone 9 products. iPhone 9, what exactly? Products. It's a simple. Then come here. A equals to, or else something like a prod. Prod equals to what exactly? Do let me know. iPhone 9. You have to create a string. Double quote is required. Now come here. Result equals to get ready df dot loc. Df dot what exactly? Loc. And here what you are providing? Prod actually. That's the one difference you need to understand. If it is iloc, if it is iloc, then here what is required? Integer is required. What is required? Integer is required. If it is a string, then go for what exactly? Loc. Same question previously someone asked actually. Now just try to come here. Done. Your task is done. What I need to print? Any idea? Tell me, sir. Result. Done. Execute this example. Perfectly all right, sir. Perfectly all right, actually. This is the total records, 900. Out of 900 records, we got these are all result actually. Means it is returning the data frame. I wanted to know how many total iPhone 9s actually. Instead of some, can I apply shape actually? Why? Because first value belongs to rows, right? Then just I do say, how many iPhones, sir? Did you understand? Like this, you can understand it. Nice, nice. Very good. Nice point. What happens if I give only iPhone? Sir, condition should be matched. Good question from this Sri Ram, sir. We'll get empty data frame, sir. But if you wanted to filter where are all iPhone, what is available, we can capture actually. I will tell you. I will tell you how to capture that one also. Okay. Let's move on. Sir, I will always explain. First one is a basic example. Next example will be instead of iPhone 9, I will take some different product. Apart from that, nothing actually. Instead of iPhone 9, I will take some different product. What product you wanted to take? Are you ready? Which one, sir? Which one we can take? Google phone, huh? Okay, sure. Let me provide Google phone. Total iPhone 9s, how many? 47. Okay. Now just try to come here. Where I need to change? Where I need to change? Product. What I need to change? Instead of iPhone 9, what I need to provide? That's what. Did you hear? Developer job is a copy paste job. Developer job is what exactly? You should understand first example. You should understand what exactly? First example. Other examples you can copy from the previous example and you can paste actually. You might heard about this one. A programmer job is a kind of some copy paste example. Are you getting? But you should know where to copy, what to copy actually. Am I right? Am I right or not, sir? Good. Now just try to come here. Now what I need to provide? Google phone. Now just try to come here. I wanted to know total how many, sir. Tell me what I need to do. Dot shape or length. There are many ways, man. There are many ways. Previous iPhone, how many? Oh, sorry. Previous iPhone, how many? 47. Google phone, how many? We'll see. 48. How many products? Seriously, very good. Like this, you can understand actually. Sir, I'm repeating again. Sorry for saying one point. If you are unable to learn with me, I'm sorry, you cannot learn anywhere actually. Why? Because I'm a guy, I'm a person. I will take always one step back for your better understanding. If you are unable to understand with my explanation, I'm sorry, you cannot learn anywhere actually. Please focus. Any doubts, you can ask a question. I'm happy to help actually. Right. What is the topic name actually? Data science, right? ILOC, LOC. ILOC we already done. Nothing is there. From the data, we are getting a data frame. From this data frame, I wanted to access a single row, single column by using LOC, ILOC. By using what exactly? LOC, ILOC. Here, we are playing more with syntax. We are playing more with what exactly? Write on the paper like a many number of times. One time, two times, three times, 10 times. Up to you. How many times if you can remember actually. Okay. Take this example. Let me delete length. Now I will ask one question. Get ready. We are getting all products, right? Now the same syntax I wanted to apply. Where are all Lavanya madam is available, I wanted to capture. What I need to do? Come again. Okay, conditionals we can access, but I need to use LOC. Super, sir. Nice explanation. I need that point actually. If you want where are all Lavanya madam is available, first of all set this column as a index, then go for the operation. You have to understand like that actually. Did you understand? Do you think if I take this name, if I paste here actually, we'll get it out actually? We'll get it out actually here. Do you think like that? No, if you want this record, then what we need to do? Change index name. What is index name? Customer. If I explain one example, other example you have to practice like this. So Daniel, set index name as a product name. Let us set index name as a customer name. Then try to access. That is good practice actually. Requesting you have to do this kind of practice. We are almost very near. Yeah, this example. Do I need to explain? Not required, sir. Instead of iPhone 9, what I'm accessing? ThinkPad. I like this laptop, sir. Why? Because more friendly. They're too small laptop. Seriously, very good laptop actually. But mine is a Dell as of now. I'm planning when it will be gone. I will go for that laptop actually. Are you getting? ThinkPad. My office laptop is ThinkPad laptop only. Once you join in a company, can I explain small standards? Once you join in a company, first today you will get a welcome kit actually. What is that one? Welcome kit. If it is a top MNC company, then immediately, as per the HR policies, you will get registered with the company. You will get a mail ID. You will get a company ID. If you are work from office, a swiping code you will get actually. If you are from work from home, no swiping code. They never provide actually. Clear, right? Once you join in a company, then first day these are all formalities. Why? Because there are freshers. You should know. Second day onwards, you are going to map with the project. Before mapping the project, induction will be happen. What it will be happen? Induction. It's not like introduction. Induction means company HR will come, finance team will come, all guys will come, and they will explain about company actually. Arey man, we are this, we are that, we are done. These are all things. We generated revenue. These are all stuff actual. Later on, after Sodi done actually, then you are going to mapping with the project. Once you joined in a project, your manager, your team, your lead, these are all things will be managed actually. Sir, stick with IT industry. IT is seriously awesome. First point, Saturday is holiday. Which one is what exactly? I like weekly 2 days holidays. I like actually. There are few companies 3 days holiday. There are three companies. How many days holiday? 3 days holiday actually. Okay, but work also like that, sir. Right? Keep in mind that. Let's move on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at my screen. Sir, this is how nice example, Previously, only iPhone 9. Previously, only ThinkPad. Now, I wanted to fetch the data. I wanted to get the data combination of products. I just wanted to pull where are all iPhone 9 and iPhone 11 is available. We can access, sir. That's what an advantage with the LOC actually. That's what an advantage with what exactly? LOC. What we need to do? We need to create a, what is this one? List, sir. What is that one actually? List of first product, second product, df1.loc. Wow. iPhone 9 and iPhone 11. How many combinations actually? Yeah, total. Are you ready? Can we do this one? Come on. I just wanted to write the code in front of you so that you will get a clear picture. Get ready. Sir, I need your help actually. Yeah. Tell me what is the first one? Import pandas as PD. Df equals to PD dot read underscore CSV. Tell me sales 2 dot CSV. Can we print the data frame just for fun? Df dot head actually. Df dot what exactly? Head method means top 5 rows I wanted to print. Cool, we done. Now let us set this column name as a index. Take an assignment, try to set this column as index and you can work on actually. Are you ready? Good. Now just try to come here. Df dot set underscore index is a method and there are two parameters. In place equals to what exactly? True. Yeah. Here what you need to provide actually? Yeah, column name. What is the column name? Product name actually. Once you selected, hit enter button. And now just try to come here, paste actually. Now print the data frame. Now print the data frame. Take this one. Check it out. First output before setting index, second output after setting the index. How nice it is. Are you getting? Good. Now my requirement will be, hello Daniel. I just wanted to capture iPhone 9, iPhone 11 combination. I just wanted to capture iPhone 9, iPhone 11 combination. Can we get it? Man, you can get it actually. Then to do that one, what we need to do, you just need to create a small syntax actually. What is the syntax? Tell me. Can I say prods? Can I say what exactly? Prods means products. Yeah, come on. Yeah, what is the first one? iPhone 9. Next one is a iPhone 11. Very good. The next one is what I need to do, sir. Sir, tell me, sir, please. Print of df dot loc. What I need to provide? Prods. Did you understand? I can still copy paste, but I don't know. I just wanted to write an example. Super. Total how many records? 90 records actually. Good. Data selection. This call is what exactly? Data selection actually. I have a one question. Get ready. I have one question. What is my question? Print the data frame. Print what exactly? Data frame. Total how many rows? 900 rows. There is a column. Column name is called as a product name. I need all unique products actually. Then what I need to print? N unique means it will print number of unique value, but you need to apply method. What is that method name? Unique method. What is that method name? Means how many unique products would you have? We can recognize like that actually. Are you getting everyone? See, once you look at the data, sir, in your whole our life, play with the data. Data science means what exactly? When I'm going, if I'm going outside, I will watch something like car number. I will watch bike number. These are all data. These are all what exactly? Just to have a glance, something like a data. You are playing with the data. In your left hand side, 3 bikes are going. In your right hand side, 2 cars are going. You don't need to stop them and you need to ask them, tell me what is your name actually. Just play with the data. Play with what exactly? Data actually. We are surrounded by data actually. Keep in mind that. Okay. Do I need to explain? No. Previously, two products. iPhone 9, iPhone 11. Here, two products. What are the products? ThinkPad laptop. Next one, 24/7. How many people bought actually? How many? 71. Very good. Some business is happening. Which combination is more business? iPhone combination is more business rather than this like that. This is called as a analysis. This is called as a insight. You are understanding the data, how the business is happening, something like. Man, beautiful. Data science is beautiful, sir. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Divya ma'am, we have to set the index. If you don't want to set the index, I mean, based on the requirement, I'm talking about the products actually, then you can go for this one. Value underscore counts also. Okay. Can we give iPhone star? No, sir. Sirisha ma'am, we cannot give something like that. But I will tell you how to access the combination. Now get ready. Get ready. Sir, get ready. I have a small syntax. Previously, in 1947, I explained one small syntax actually. What is the syntax? df.iloc. What came actually? What came? Comma came. If comma came actually, columns. Now here also get ready. Df what exactly? Dot loc. Now comma came. What came actually? Comma came. Comma came means what exactly? All columns and all rows you are playing. That's what. If you understand previous syntax, understanding this one is very easy. Same thing like that. LHS. Next one is a RHS. We are playing. All right. Easy, easy. Come on. You can feel very easy actually. Df dot loc. And here what you can provide, comma. Here what you can provide. Sir, if it is ILOC 0 to 5, 0 to 2, something like that. Am I right? But if it is LOC, you can provide name of the columns, something like that actually. Are you clear, everyone? I mean to say that. Look at my syntax. Understand this one. A, see, LOC, A, comma, B. Left hand side, whatever you are providing, I need rows. That rows should be matched with iPhone 9 and ThinkPad laptop. Team, are you with me? Yeah, the maybe last two more examples, then we can close this discussion. I will give a small revision. Okay. From this total document, you may get a 1 or 2 important interview question. How many? 1 or 2 important interview question. One time practice is really required. Only syntax matters. df1 dot loc a comma b. If comma came, indirectly we are trying to fetching rows and columns. What you are fetching? Rows. Left hand side I need a rows, but I need a rows of where are all matching iPhone 9, where are all matching ThinkPad laptop. Am I right? Good. Here B means I need a column names. What are all column names? Product cost and customer ID. Mean column name you can specify. What you can specify? Column name. But previously 0 to 2, 0 to 3, something like that. Am I right or not, sir? Are you with me? Good. Done. If you understand, these are all discussion. Hey, set the index first. Make it this one, df1. That's it. Maintain separation of the code. It will be very easy for you actually. Good. The same example you can take it out. Still, you can convert this example into one more funny example. What is example? A means, can I create a variable rows actually? Good. P means, can I create a variable CYLS? Now instead of A, very nice. Instead of B, that's it. This is very fun and more catchy. That word catchy actually. Take the same example. When I was learning actually, first time coding actually, my senior suggested one thing. What he suggested, let me tell you, A equals to 10, print of what exactly? A. This is my senior created example. Who created example? Senior created example. Now, if you wanted to create your own example, take the same example. Change the name of the variable b equals to 20 and print what exactly? Sir, now I myself can feel like I created my own example. Being a developer, data scientist, always try to recreate your examples. Best example. Understand the existing code, recreate your own example. Your thinking pattern will be improved automatically. Getting right? Sir, are you with me? Good, please. These are all small basic stuff. I still no need to tell, but you're all kids, sir, actually. This we know very well. You talk with me. What is this one? Rows, iPhone 9 and ThinkPad laptop. Columns, product cost. And do I need to explain? This example not required, but still, if you want, I can help you. Comma came, sir. Left hand side rows only. No more change actually. Right hand side, instead of providing as a list, you can provide the syntax. The syntax indicates to starting order ID till to the product cost. Starting from what exactly? Order ID to till to what exactly? Product cost. But we are not using this syntax in real time. You can still ignore this example. We are not using. This one also not using. I mean, the same example. Previously, what I have taken product cost. Started from order ID, we are accessing till to product cost. Now, started from order ID, we are accessing till to customer ID. Am I right? Good. Boolean logical indexing. This example not important. Hold on. This example also not important, but this example is important. Please focus. Okay. This is the last example we are going to cover. Then we can close this chapter actually. Good. First of all, look at my screen. Get ready, sir, please. I need answer from you. I know you know this answer very well. Print a data frame. Print what exactly? Data frame. Run this one. Yep. Good. You help me out. What I wanted to access LG washing machine. How to access LG washing machine, sir? With your experience, you tell me. How to access? How to access all LG washing machines products? How to access what exactly? All washing machine products actually. I hope you already know actually how to access, come here. Where exactly product name variable, create a condition or variable, come here, con 1 equals to, what is that one, sir? D, hold on. Good. Now, can I say here we need to first of all capture that name of the column. Am I right? Sir, are you getting this? We already know what you are going to get. Series, very good. I just wanted to access where are all LG washing machine is available. Where are all what exactly LG washing machine is available. Access this. Then what we need to do? Yeah. Now what is output you are going to get? Nice, very good. I'm feeling so happy. You guys are talking. But I don't want Boolean value. Who need Boolean values, man? I need a result actually. I need what exactly? Then what we need to do? Take this one, cut. Now con, create a variable, con condition one, create a variable, and I send that. Talk with me. Df of con, df1. Good, sir. Df1, very good. Now let us just try to access. Very good. You are able to access all this LG washing machine. Am I right? Sir, did you understand this example? You improved a lot, man. You are able to write line by line, understanding a lot actually. Take this example. Same example we can still achieve by using LOC. Same example we can still achieve by using what exactly? Nothing is there, sir. I hope you can tell the difference actually. Same line we had written, same line we had written, same condition we had written. Any change actually? Yeah, only one change. What is that one? Df1 dot loc of what exactly? A. That's it. I mean to say that keep the same thing. Print of get ready. Df1 dot loc of what you need to provide? Condition. That's it. Same result. But frankly speaking, this will get the result like this. But this will get result take some time actually. It may take on an average 10 seconds, but it can take on an average 1 second, something like a spark result actually. Very quickly you will get a result. That's what you need to understand, that kind of comparison, man. Perfect. Perfect, man. Let me read on. All right. Very good. First one, we are getting well-known syntax. Second one, we are getting by using LOC, right? Next two examples not required. You can still ignore, but if you want, still you can go for that. Not required. Then we done LOC, LOC. Did you understand? Yeah. But here syntax matters, sir. What matters? In total pandas, this is the complex topics. I'm sorry for saying I didn't use this word actually till previously. This is the complex topic. Here on words you can play like this actually, very easy. All topics will be right. But if you wanted to understand this topic, practice required. What is required? Practice. Do this practice very well. Can I continue? Small update. Tomorrow as usual would you have a practice session? Would you have what session? Practice session. Let us focus more on pandas practice. Are you fine? Let us focus more on pandas. Please don't miss that one. Okay, please. Can I close this one, sir? Yeah. What is the next topic? Filtering. Man, in filtering, without touching the document, I'm telling, first 3 to 4 examples we already know. Filtering means applying the condition, fetching the result. I mean, what my document specialty will be. If I'm explaining the next topic here, I will cover already one example. Actually, you can feel literally amazing, right? I would like to change this status. This text is what exactly running topic. Now 14 or 15, maybe sorting data frame. Let us have it. 15. Yeah, sorting group by. These are all very easy, sir. Very easy. Group by. Good. Let's continue with filtering. Are you ready? Before entering into this topic, can we list out methods? What are relevant actually? Are you ready? I need your help, sir. Come on. Let us list out methods. Let us list out what exactly? List out methods actually. Till now, what are the methods we learn? Just for fun. Just for what exactly? Fun actually. Are you ready? Come on, sir. Assuming that DF is object to what exactly? Data frame. Object to what exactly? Data frame. What is the first method name? Very good. Get ready. Next button is slowly by slowly you can tell, sir. Why? Because I'm slow in typing. What is the next method? Come again. Nice info method. Next one is a come again. Display. Very nice. Describe method. Next one is uh, okay. Shape is attribute, right, sir? Okay, good, good. Almost you told right one only. What is the next one? Count actually. Very good. Next one is what exactly? Rename method. Very good, sir. Come again. DF dot. Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. Can we go within order? That would be really helpful for us actually. Okay. After rename, what we covered actually, any idea? Rename of, I hope I already covered in place equals to true. Am I right? Am I right or not? That you need to remember. Keep in mind that you should understand where to apply, what to apply actually. First to come again. Unique. Okay. DF dot n unique and unique both actually. Hold on, sir. N unique is not much important, and rename method after this one, sir. Handling missing value. Get ready. Tell me what is the method name? Is NA. Good. Next one is DF1 dot is NA dot sum. Very nice. Next one is come again. Drop NA. No mercy. Am I right? No mercy. Do you think no mercy method is available? No mercy method is available. No, sir. Please. Next one is a DF dot drop NA. Next one is DF dot fill NA. Next one is DF dot replace. What method? Replace. Next one is ILOC indexer. We can step out actually. Any other method? Come again? Yeah, very good. We can apply mean also. If you want, we can cross verify. Right. But that we didn't discuss actually. If you want, we can apply. Okay. But we applied somewhere. Where we applied, Good, good, sir. Yeah. Now just try to come here. Here we have taken A's column. What column? A's column dot mean we applied. Am I right? Nice actually. Any other method? Sir, today we discussed one method, boss. Today we discussed one method. What is that method? Yeah, can I tell the method? Method dot underscore. Am I right? I will cry, sir. What is the method? Sir, set underscore index. How you will forget, sir? Did you understand? Like this. So, learning about pandas means learning about in detail about this role method. Tomorrow, whenever you are going for interview, somebody may ask. There are two chances. First one, how to change the name of the column. Then indirectly he is asking about which method actually? Rename method. Someone may ask a question, how to set an index actually. Then what is asking actually? Set index. How to handle the missing value. Then what is asking? Drop NA. Next one is fill NA. These are all things actually. Why drop NA 2 times? Good. Yeah, replace parameter also. Did you understand? So your focus should be more on methods. More on what exactly? Please, you should prepare actually. Our offline team nicely responded. 25 messages, sir. Online team actually. We'll see. Is anyone is calling me or what exactly? Very nice. Arati, boss, you are more active actually. Very good. Okay. Few. Okay. Okay, it's okay. That's what. Even if you are telling wrong, also, I will encourage. I will encourage actually. So, I mean, it's okay. It is okay to do the mistakes initially. Replace method, some method, is null. Oh, not null. Divya. Two more methods. That's what. But that is not much important actually. Set index, rename method, set index. Thank you. Yeah. Seems to be we covered almost all methods actually. Am I right or not, sir? Can somebody take a snapshot? Take your mobile and take a small snapshot, sir. Everyone. 1 minute. Sir, my photo also, please. I'm kidding. Come on, take snapshot. Important. Sir, thank you, sir. Yeah, good. Come on. Are you ready? Huh? Yeah, let us start. The topic name is a pandas data frame. Filtering the data. Always be active for learning. Filtering. How many pages? Just 20 pages. Very easy. Let's move on. Filtering the data. Good. Let me tell you. The topic name is what exactly? No? Filtering. What is the topic name? It's very simple. First of all, filtering, let us work with the Python. Let us work with what exactly? Python. Right, good. Let me show you Python filtering. Let me show you what exactly? Python filtering. If you understand Python filtering, these are all very easy. Data frame filtering. Get ready. Values equals to, you already know this syntax, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Now, let us just try to create values. Get ready. I just wanted to print what are all values less than 5. I just wanted to print what are all, first of all, I wanted to print all values actually. How to print any idea? One by one, I wanted to print. Good. Tell me. For value in values. Next one is print of value. Very good. Thank God you remembered for loop actually. Nice. Now just have to see. We getting all these values. Am I right? Now I wanted to print only 1 to 4. Indirectly you're applying filter. Sir, let me tell you, somebody has given the data. From that data he is asking few questions. This is something like a filtering. This is something like what exactly? Best example, management came and he is taking only this chair. He applied filter. Are boss, many chairs would you have, table would you have, water bottle would you have, but he is picking out only that chair actually. Means he applied filter. He applied what exactly? I used to go to a sweet shop. I used to have a Kalakani sweet idea on that. I like sweets very well, sir. I like that sweet very well. Let us take there are total 10 sweets, but I used to focus only on one sweet actually. But my wife never gave that sweet actually. Are you guys getting? Right, good. Conclusion of the story. In daily base, we're applying filter. In daily base, what we're doing? Filter. If you wanted to apply filter, you can apply by using relational operator. You can apply by using what exactly? Come on, sir. Very simple. Now just have to come here. If value less than 5, print value. That's it. Come here. You can just have to apply this one. Such a nice actual. Such a nice. I hope you understand. This is called as a applying filter. This is called as what exactly? Applying filter. Can I say this is also called as a condition? Am I right or not, sir? Same thing like this. Can we apply in a pandas? We can apply. Syntax is the same. Syntax is what exactly? Same action. Did you understand? Good. Take this example. All right. If I started the discussion, so good question. This is. We can continue this topic on Monday. Good. So there is one of our teammate actually. What our teammate is asking question, Are Daniel, can you please explain? Does company provide the training once selected as well? 100% guarantee. 100% guarantee. Once assuming that you got a selector for any company, every company will provide the training. The training name is called as a KT. What do you mean by that, sir? KT actually. KT means knowledge transfer. KT means what exactly? Knowledge transfer. Assuming that once you joined in a company, then they are going to mapping with project. Mapping with what exactly? Project actually. Now, whenever you are joining in any project, two types of KTs. One is domain KT. One is what exactly? Domain KT. Next one is a technical KT. Next one is what exactly, sir? Technical KT. 1 month back, there are two juniors joined along with me. My manager told start give a training actually. Then I trained in a domain. I trained in what exactly? Technical. They're enjoying a lot actually. With me, I will give train like anything actually. How I will give training, in my options also they can do my work actually. I can train like that. I mean to say that. So conclusion of the story, if you join in any company, every company 99% there is a guarantee they should provide the training. They should provide what exactly? Training. During this training, you will understand what is going on. But whenever they are giving a training, you should be master in fundamentals first of all. You should be what exactly? Don't think like, during this technical KT, they will put to Python introduction heading actually. Don't think like they will start from scratch like a Naresh Shetty. No, sir. Don't expect like that. Can I tell? Total Python, they may close on an average 6 to 5 days. How many days actually? Six. That's it. They can close the discussion. In between, you should not say, hey, stop, stop, stop. I didn't understand. No, no, no. These are all discussions will not happen actually in a company level. Are you getting your one? No. Before entering into the company, strong in fundamental, strong in basics. Suddenly, tomorrow you are joining in a Infosys company. Somebody is talking about, list data structure. If you know 2 to 3 points, then the one who is guiding, he will share more knowledge. He will share what exactly, sir? Best example, sir. I started giving a training. Fresher, I'm giving a training actually. When I'm explaining, he's responding more. Then I will feel more like, let me share more actually. Scenario number one. Scenario number two. I started giving a training. He started explaining Salar movie actually. What movie? In reverse way, I will also explain. You know that scene actually. I like that scene very well. Conclusion of the story. Always action. Next one is a. That's what, sir. Newton's third law actually. Keep in mind that, right? Go to the company with fundamentals. Go to the company with standards that literally push you. Right? Fine then. That is based on the terms and conditions, boss. What happens if you break the bond as a fresher after joining the company? Maybe in bond, first of all, in bond, they will specify 3 months salary you need to repay actually. 3 months salary you need to repay. If you didn't repay, you cannot get a documents from the company. That is called as a absconding. You can do also. Okay. All right. We done for today's session. Sir, ask any these kind of questions. It is okay. If any fresher is available, you can ask. All right. Let us close the discussion. Do more practice Python pandas. Tomorrow, as usual, same practice session. Let me upload. Come here. Can I conduct 1 day Python exam? If you are interested, I can conduct. LOC, LOC. Let us upload here running notes. Is anyone is not available in Google Classroom? If anyone is not available in Google Classroom, do let me know, sir. I can add you actually. 5:30. Yeah. Filtering. I can upload tomorrow. We didn't start it. Anything is pending? Fine. We done for today's session, sir. Please take it. Just only 2 to 3 days. I can leave the session before 5 minutes. I know well. I used to follow punctual actually. Why? Because this room is going to occupy with the new batch. New batch they are going to start, which is some other course actually. That's what. Before 5 minutes, I'm closing actually. But one or 2 days later on, I will touch it till 7 actually. Are you clear? In future, I may extend 10 to 15 minutes. Is it fine for you? In future, I may extend, no guarantee actually. Clear, right? Okay. Sriram sir, you are joining from which location? What is the time now actually? Can I extend? Is it fine if I extend some 15 to 20 minutes? Sriram sir. Seems to be 10 minutes fine. Okay, sure. All right, we done for today's session. Come on, sir. As usual, I will tell always one thing. What is that one? Yeah, do practice. Practice literally helps you. We done for today's session. Please take care. Tomorrow, practice session, morning 7:30 only, online and offline. I recommend you, please. Offline students, you try to wake up, quickly and you can come for session. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.